Alright, we are here at the Swan. Parking lot's not close, but that's okay. Pretty much it's all the hotels at Disney. It's very pretty though. I like it. Went to Walgreens, got our case of water, got me some Dr. Pepper for the mornings, and oh, I smell food. I smell really good food. We're not eating for another hour because the whole point is for the food at the art festival, and that starts in an hour. Alright, this is the Dolphin Hotel. That is the front entrance. To the left is the cabin. To the right is the planning center and a gift shop of Disney stuff. We checked in. Of course, our room's not ready because it's 10 a.m. But they still check you in. And remember, if you have a car, tell them you have a car, so they can put the charge on your room key, and that way you can just use your room key to get in and out of the parking garage. Or it's not a garage, the parking lot. And then we got a free upgrade. That was nice. And they will text us as soon as our room is ready. What I did not know, interesting fact, is the Swan and Dolphin are always mentioned together. So I assume they were owned by the same company, and they're not. One is Westin. This one's Westin? Westin. And then the other one was, do you remember what she said the other one? Sheridan, that's what she said. So that's where we stayed last time. So far, I'm really liking the Dolphin. Or the Swan, I apologize. Have I been saying the Dolphin? I probably have been saying the Dolphin. We were at the Swan. I'm going to say it wrong 20 million times. We are at the Swan. And the Swan. This is the Swan. That is the Dolphin. I thought they were twin hotels. Maybe at one time they were, but now they're owned by two separate companies. So check-in lady was super nice. I will do a room tour and more of the hotel grounds later. I will add that to this video. Right now we're walking to Epcot. That's why we choose to stay at this hotel, because we're here for Epcot and it's an easy 10-minute walk. Or you could take that ferry. But we're here to walk, so we are walking. Alright, we're back at the Swan. We got a text. Our room is ready before check-in, thank goodness, because I'm ready for a nap. So, here we go. Nice big doors. So, this is the back side. There's the restaurants. This is the entrance. This is if you're walking to the parks. The buses are in the front. Looks like they have a first drink stand, and no one's there. Looks like those are the two restaurants. Some outdoor seating. That's very pretty. There are sculptures. So up here is the reception. Oh my god, I just got a lightsaber. Reception. And then if you're taking the buses to the park. So Robert's gonna go get our room key real quick, and then we're gonna walk and get our luggage, and hopefully check out a nice room, hopefully. So that's where you check in. So I'll put right here, Robert. Go get our room key. Alright, this is our room at the Swan. Room 422 East Wing. I like it so far. It looks a lot cleaner. Not necessarily that the Dolphin wasn't clean, but newer. That's what I'm trying to say. It looks a lot newer than the Dolphin did. Nice bathroom, tub. All right. What is this?
A closet.
This is a closet. Ooh, we even get a robe. Just one. Robert doesn't get a wear robe.
I requested not.
You said no robes.
Yes, by design.
Big TV, 2 queen beds, coffee and water. That's nice. There is a $30 resort fee, so basically that's $15 bottles of water. Because like, what else you get? You get free Wi-Fi.
What about
and
the Starbucks logos? Do you get those?
Yeah, I don't know. And then something about like 15% off if you use their spa.
Go to the right. All the way
Go
to
to the right, all the way to the
There
right.
you go.
This is what, oh, this is nice.
You can see the dolphin
This
next door.
is our view. I like it. So this is where we come in at night. This is the back view. This is where we were just walking, where I caught my last shiny piplup for community day.
Open it up.
Let's see, how does this, okay, there you go.
Give it
All
a
right,
test drive.
there you go. Oh, wait, there you go. Ooh, don't lose that. I almost lost that.
Don't lose it. They're going to charge you
Don't
$50.
lose that, Maurice. Oh my god, this is
Oh,
nice.
man, that's pretty cool.
So we don't know what the other room would have looked like, so we'll just take their word for it that this is an upgrade. I'm sure the view is what the upgrade was. So it's a very nice room. So we're paying $230, I said earlier, plus a $30 resort fee, so basically $260, and then $15 a night parking, so $275.
I think if you want to face the parks the other direction,
Yeah.
it's almost like $200 more or something.
So
It was
$275 for a nice hotel at Disney is pretty darn good.
very nice.
Again, we chose this because of the location, because it's very nice to be able to watch Epcot. So far I am loving the Swan. Dining guide. Water. Alright. Oh, low battery. Alright. Like I said earlier, I'll add a hotel tour later to this video, but I gotta unpack and relax for a little bit. Alright, we are at the Swan. I just wanted to show the bus stop real quick. So, it does have a little board that tells you the next time the buses come. They come every 20 minutes, just like all the other resorts. Problem with this bus is shared with 5 resorts altogether. The Swan, the Dolphin, the Boardwalk, the Yacht Club, and the Beach Club. So, depending on the bus driver, like, we walk right here. They stop at the Boardwalk first, dropping us off. And then on going to Magic Kingdom, after picking us up, they stopped at the Dolphin and then went straight to Magic Kingdom. But Robert said, like, what's the order? When do you think they stop at the Yacht Club or the Beach Club?
I'm assuming the way the road's set up, I'm thinking they're going to go up and they're going to turn at the Swan the next, and then after that they're going to make a turn and do Yacht Club, and I assume Beach Club's last.
So if you're with the Beach Club,
But I don't know if they run that route.
yeah, I don't know, because I don't, when we stayed at the Beach Club, I don't remember, this boy's not working, I don't remember having to, like, the bus being full like that, so I don't know if this is a new thing or whatever. So, but right now, all 5 Epcot hotels share the same bus. This means it can take a little longer. It is 12:40 a.m. That's why this lobby is dead. Yeah, this is the planning center and the gift store. We haven't went in, like, if you needed to get tickets, Disney tickets and stuff.
It's pretty small.
Yes.
There's cookies for sale.
Cookies? Alright, well, we'll check it out tomorrow.
What's all this?
Guide map for everyone. I'll get
You
one
should
of
get
these.
that one. Get
Alright.
one for yourself.
Oh wait, Disney Springs.
Disney Springs, you should get one for yourself.
This is the coffee house that has snacks.
What's this?
The coffee house that has snacks.
Yeah, because it says coffee over there.
But anyway, I'm
This
not.
is where you get breakfast.
We haven't had any
They have a
problems.
breakfast.
Yes, they have a breakfast, honey. We haven't had any problems with the busing system. I'm just putting it out there that depending on what hotel you're on the stop, it could take a little longer. We lucked out that Swan was number 2. Tigger Tuesday. It's Tigger Tuesday. So this is a list of activities that are happening here, and they're actually pretty much all free. It's part of the, what's it called? Fee.
They're postcards.
Would you grab me a postcard?
Well, I don't know if they're free.
I don't know. So, receive 2 complimentary hours at Camp Dolphin I think this shares with the dolphin, because here it's showing the dolphin game room, 6 p.m.
I swiped these.
Thank you. Thank you for getting me some postcards. He swiped them. That's the concierge desk. He did not actually swipe them. But here we go to the elevators. We are in the East Wing. It is Stormtroopers. I have to say, Galaxy Edge was awesome. Stormtroopers talked to me today. It was pretty cool. Here's Java. This is kind of like a quick service snack bar at the Swan. And we just walk through and see what they got. Coffee, wine, bagels, lots of desserts. Ooh, that's a huge croissant right there. Salads. Plenty of cold stuff. Salads to go. Chips and crackers, Nutella. It's actually a pretty good snack selection. I'm impressed. Alright, now wine. We will go check out the gift shop in a second. This is like meeting rooms. I think there's restrooms back here. ATM if you need cash. Yes, restrooms right here. Alright, so this is at the Swan, the Planning Center, and the gift store. So let's check it out. Autograph book. What is this? Postcard. Movies. More autograph books. Disney music. I'm gonna just recite everything, trying to cover up this Disney music. Sunscreen, not needed right now. It's 30 below. So cold. Haunted Life. Not interested. Toiletries. Even toiletries. That's always good. Okay. Disney pins. Pretty much everything at every other gift shop. So, snacks over here. What do they have? Taffy. Disney taffy, shortbreads. I like that. That's a cute tin. That is a cute tin. Oh, look at the little specialty chocolates. That I have no idea how. Oh, $15.99. It's pretty cool. That sun is bright. Oh, and a map. That's cool. Alright, back at the Swan. Back at the Swan lobby. So, what? I was looking at the market.
Now with you, Chip.
Robert's looking at the market. I'm not running.
You could have made that, dude.
I could have made it, but that seemed like running.
Go on now.
No, I'm practicing my elf movie moves. So, why are we going out this way?
I have no idea.
I'm just showing you the front. We actually didn't need to go out this way. So, you seen the front? Alright, let's be elf.
Get it.
Oh, no, stop. Alright, so I'm going to go do a quick review of the Swan. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I absolutely would stay at the Swan again. Housekeeping has always been super early. They've been giving us free water. I'll be fair though, I don't know if everyone gets free water. I am a Weston Preferred member, and that might be why we're getting free water. So don't bank on it if you come here and you don't get water. Could be one of our perks from just traveling a lot. So if it's your first time, you don't get water, sorry. But we get free water. This is the back exit entrance. If you want to walk to Epcot, you want to go the Dolphins across the way, there's a restaurant right there. There's a restaurant right there. It's set up for, it could be a breakfast buffet or it could be the conference Okay, see, do you scan
Jeez.
2020
Healthcare. I told you, it was always healthcare.
Anyway, don't know if that...
Open.
These doors are not working.
No.
I don't know if the restaurant's open right now. It could just be for the conference people, but we don't need to eat there. We're going to Epcot. So, yeah, I would have to say we will see they're setting them up outdoor terrace. You're gonna eat. It's cold. It is cold. It's cold. I follow a YouTuber who's based in Tampa, and he has said it's the coldest day of the year. So, we come from St. Louis to escape the cold, and we come here. It is freaking cold, but that's less cold. But you know, it doesn't matter to us because we're not pool people, and I think it really only affects pool people. So, and people who like to stay warm. All right, Robert. What's your thoughts and feelings of the Swan? Did you love it? Would you stay at the Swan again?
I like it. I like it in the sense that it's a different group of people than what you normally see.
Yeah, it's not. You are not surrounded by Disney tourists. You were surrounded by businessmen.
Right.
So I mean, there were. Don't get me wrong. There were like a couple tourists, maybe two.
Yeah, not very
but it was definitely mostly business people. And so if you need, I needed a couple items, personal toiletry items that I forgot. And when you stay at a business themed hotel, you just go to the front desk and ask for it. They give it to you free. There's a lot of complimentary stuff if you just ask. You don't get that at Pop Century or any other, you know what I'm saying? So when you stay at a business type hotel, you forget your sewing kit, you forget your toothpaste, just little stuff like that. You don't have to buy it. You just go to the front desk and ask. And they're like, sure. That's my experience. But I say that now and someone's like, no, they didn't give me anything. But when you stay at a business style hotel, they're gonna help you out without charging you.
I like that they had a devoted line for us. Now this isn't the same for everybody.
No,
but
see,
if you did online check-in or the preferred,
yeah,
you got a special line, which not everybody can have.
no, that just comes.
It does come in handy if you're busy.
It just comes from us from traveling. So if you travel a lot, sign up for Marriott Rewards. You don't have to use their credit card. There's a whole separate Marriott Rewards that doesn't cost anything. The Westin has it, Hampton has it. We use a couple of their credit cards to get extra points. But if you just sign up for their card so they can track your history of where you stayed and stuff, and they see that you're staying at a lot of their hotels, they're going to give you perks. They're going to give you perks. So this day and age, why not do it? You're tracked anyway by everyone. So sign up for that Westin card. Sign up for that Marriott card. So
the Marriott, it's just the whole Marriott that reward system is nice because it's a lot of hotels now.
yeah.
It used to not be. Now it's
So yeah, if you ever wonder like how you see we get all these extra perks, that's how. We sign up for all their hotel cards that give their tracking. The only credit cards we use is the Disney, the Southwest, and the Marriott.
It used to be that you couldn't use anything Marriott. You wouldn't get rewards for these two hotels. Now you do.
So what I'm saying is you can get rewards at hotels you repeat at without having their credit card. You just have to sign up for their free reward program. So that way, and use your number every time you book a hotel.
It's wise to do.
So it's wise, it works. And enough rambling, because I was just trying to give you a summary of the Swan, if you cared. So it's, don't let me if you're like, oh shoot, I'm not going to stay there because I'm a tourist. Anyone can stay here. You don't
get judged.
You don't have to be a business person.
It's kind of nice.
I would stay here. If we come back, when we come back, and it's a good deal, because these rooms are a little more expensive than the Dolphin, but we got a good deal. You got to watch out for deals. If we get another good deal, we will stay at the Swan.